Hi there YouTube and welcome to Tech Cravers. There's a lot of people out there who want to compare the Steam Deck to the Nintendo Switch. Or maybe they don't even want to, but they still do it unconsciously in their thoughts. Of course, I understand why these comparisons are made, although I see the Steam Deck and the Nintendo Switch as two consoles from two different worlds. Nintendo, of course, has its exclusive titles that can't be found on any other console, although the Steam Deck can of course play them. While the Steam Deck has proven to be a full-featured gaming PC with 2022 performance that can handle almost your entire backlog of games. That being said, the obvious thing that the Nintendo Switch has right out of the box, but that the Steam Deck doesn't have, is the ability to switch between handheld mode and gaming on a TV or monitor. The good news is that the Steam Deck does, as you probably know, support this feature, but Valve doesn't give you a dock. As a matter of fact, they haven't even started to sell their dock yet. Even if they are working on it, it has unfortunately been postponed indefinitely. I have more good news, however. There are some really good third-party dock sellers out there, and the dock we're talking about in this short review is the JSAUX USB-C 6-in-1 Multifunction Adapter. I guess they're not allowed to call it a Steam Deck dock. So just a quick rundown on what we have here. We have a HDMI output that supports 4K at 60 Hz, 3 USB Type-A, 1 USB-C with 100 watts power delivery, and we also have a gigabit Ethernet output on the side. I have been using JSAUX earlier version of this dock, but that only comes with 2 USB ports and megabit Ethernet, so this is quite much better in terms of ports. Speaking of which, for the USB ports, I tend to use 2 of them for my wireless keyboard and mouse, and now this third one is great for additional storage or transferring files via flash drives. Or perhaps you have a controller plugged in using a dongle or whatever. The extra USB port simply gives you lots of flexibility in how you use your Steam Deck while docked. I've also seen a lot of people who really want this new version with the gigabit Ethernet port. And yes, while wired connection is faster and more stable than wireless, I get over 400 megabits wireless where I live, and I actually think that's more than enough for the things I tend to download on my Steam Deck. By the way, just for curiosity, how fast internet do you have where you live? Please leave a comment down below, and also let me know if you think that wired connection is a must. For the USB-C input, I recommend that you use the charger that came with your Steam Deck, since by doing that you won't get a warning saying that you have slow charging, as you will with most other third-party chargers. JSAUX has done a really good job with the build quality here. The dock itself feels really nice, it's solid and sturdy, and it has a premium feel to it. It also has rubber in the stand, so your Steam Deck will stay in place and it won't wiggle. And the USB-C cable is 90 degrees, so it won't bend and break. The dock is $49.99, and I actually think that's a really good price for what you get. I can imagine Valve charging more than that for the official dock when it launches. I'd say the Steam Deck is really great in handheld mode. That's how I use it most of the time, but it's definitely a must to get the dock as well. Not only does it make tinkering 100% easier, but it's also very nice to play your favorite games on a larger monitor or TV sometimes. Not to mention the fact that this dock can actually make your Steam Deck become a full computer for everyone out there who doesn't know whether to get a new laptop or a Steam Deck. Maybe you want to buy a new Steam Deck for studies or work or whatever, then this JSAUX dock is for you. That's actually been it for this brief review of the JSAUX 6-in-1 dock for Steam Deck, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. I will of course leave a link to the dock in the description, and it will be a non-affiliated one, so go check it out. Now I need to go enjoy summer some more before it's gone forever. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.